Look out. Look out. Easy money. He got it. He got it. Look out, look out.
Nigga, get Wilson over here and pay me up real quick.
Let's go get Wilson. Damn. He said he want to see Will. He want to see Will. Yeah. Yeah.
Man, give me one of them jars, goddamn.
Damn, man.
Give me a jar of that moonshine, man.
Damn, man.
That cone over there.
Oh, yeah?
Look. Moonshine, you goddamn right, nigga. Moonshine. They gambling over there, that corner, man.
Yeah.
I gotta go back to the corner.
What?
Moonshine fucked over him. I knew it, bro.
You in bed?
I lost 50, man. Wilson, them talked me into that bullshit.
God damn, you just told me you was going.
It, but man, I said, man.
Man, how you let, man, you tripping, man. And he killed him.
I'm talking about kill that mother. I told him when I seen that dude drive, I said, man, they up to something. I knew it, but I went against my motherfucking style.
Man, I can't believe you came over there and gonna tell me, yeah, man, moonshine, I'm seeing that bitch, and then go the other way anyway.
Yeah, that's fucked up, man. Man, I fucked up and still didn't go with that motherfucker.
Man.
Hey, you hear me?
Thank you, sir.
Pay you that. Huh? Well, I got paid. You hear me?
Hey, you 20, baby.
Hey. Moonshine. Oh, you gotta get
He said thank you. God damn. Man. That crooked running. Hey, what the hell? Oh, that's how it runs. Oh, this that bad mother. I wonder who think they can beat him. Only person probably got a chance is Boost the GT. Nah, we ain't bet nothing. Hell no. Hey. My right hand and got cold. Okay.
I've been trying to get my goddamn.
Oh, my thumb cold. Yeah, I need.
How will he gonna move? I like those good. Yeah, dude.
Oh, she gotta go against. Oh man, this car gonna have to make a mistake.
We gonna win, hey? You put headlights on?
Yeah, that right lane do got something, boy.
You gotta lean up against the car.
Okay.
Hey, this spot.
Oh, I'm gonna go over here.
I'm staying right here.
Damn. Hey, we gotta
You
check
cannot tell me that Yello Belly does not hook.
Bill, hey,
Yeah.
half track. They
That
pull
was
the wheel.
pulling the wheels. That baby put some power down, and Yello Belly took it.
You go check that.
Yeah. Great run right there.
What you think about that?
Got it done. Right
Yeah.
Straight down the track.
I got it on lookout.
Yeah.
So tell me something, man. Tell me something.
Great pass right there, man.
Yeah.
Great
Oh
pass.
shit, I gotta move, y'all. We're gonna go check the track down there. Got my boy over here. Hollywood.
Hey man, what the fuck that motherfucking ICT was waiting on the damn regular tree?
Yeah, regular tree.
That bitch was gone off.
Regular tree.
Damn up. Oh yeah.
We got Funky Town Hollywood in the building.
building, baby.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Nitrous small block.
Nitrous small block.
Predictable, you know.
Truck. Little juice.
Little street truck all the
Yeah.
way from the funk.
From the funk, man.
Yes, sir.
Big little L school.
Somebody said they gonna tell Willie Frank to come shut Yello Belly down.
I don't know nothing about no Willie Frank, but I'm gonna spray the dog shit.
No full pass, look out.
What's up with
Look
it?
out, no full pass.
No full pass.
Look at me.